What if one fruit could repair your brain? Blueberries cross the blood-brain barrier. They go straight to the hippocampus, clearing out toxic proteins that slow you down. They stimulate BDNF, your brain's growth fertilizer, boosting blood flow to the cortex, protecting neurons from daily stress. Your entire nervous system comes online. Chaos versus clarity. Your brain is upgraded, but what about your joints? Enter turmeric. Inflammation is the fire eating your joints. Curcumin puts it out at the source. It shuts down NF-kappa B, the master switch for inflammation, repairing cartilage and lubricating movement. Your spine moves freely again. Lock this in. Old joints versus rebuilt ones. No more pain. Now, let's fix your heart. Walnuts look like brains, but they protect your heart. Packed with alpha-linolenic acid, they scrub plaque from artery walls, restoring strength to every beat. Blood flows faster and cleaner, breaking cholesterol down at the molecular level. Your heart runs young again. Stiff versus flexible. Your pump is primed. Now look at your skin. Avocados build better cells. Dry skin starts at the cellular level. Oleic acid seals moisture in. Cells become plump, smooth, and alive, creating a natural UV shield. Those same fats speed up brain signals. Wrinkles fade as structure returns. You don't just feel younger, you look it. You look younger, but how is your energy? Spinach fuels your cells at the source. It supercharges your mitochondria, making muscles more efficient, using less oxygen for more power. Lutein shields your eyes, blocking digital damage before it hits. Strength feels effortless. Focus locks in. Dim versus dialed in. You are stronger, but is your gut clean? Ginger resets your digestive system,